Okay, thank you for everyone for joining in this video. Today I will be showing you how to do a nose and a mouth drawing. I'm using an HB pencil right now, starting the outside of the nose. Now you want to try to do the bottom part of the nose. And then you want to try to do the nostrils. Yeah. Okay, and you lightly just shade them inside. Alrighty. And then now we're going to do the other side. It's okay if it's not perfect. Alright, now we're doing the shading part of the nose. This is a tutorial off of a drawing I have done before. I just recreated the nose. So yeah, you just want to do that part, and then it would go to the eyes, and just make it shading. Don't go too dark. Okay, and then you want to just make some shading spots around there. Yes. Okay, now I'm taking this thing for the shading instead of using my finger. And you're just using that to make it all form together. Do some shading underneath, everywhere around the nose. Just makes it look more realistic. Okay, and then yeah, we're just shading. Alright, yeah, and then you want to start shading the top part of the nose too. And then you want to shade in the inside. There is a little highlight spot in the circle, so that's why I left that. And you just want to shade that whole area. Okay. Yeah, just doing any shading you can do. Okay, now I'm going out with my 6B pencil, darkest shade, and you're just wanting to get the darker parts of the nose so that it all blends together. Now you're going to do the other side. There you go. And then I'm going to take the thing again and start shading it, make it all blend. There you go. Just making it all blend is mostly your goal here. Okay, and then just going over the spots where they need to be darkened. Yeah, any shadows. And then taking it and blending it again. There you go. Okay, now it's time for the mouth tutorial. So you're going to start with the top part of the mouth and just try to shape it. There. Just shaping right now. As you can see, I don't use anything like Loomis method, stuff like that. I don't use a certain method for my mouth, so just doing whatever, just doing my own way. Okay, and then you're just gonna leave the little area for the space for the teeth, because she is showing her teeth in this photo I use. Okay, and then now you're just doing the shading. Yeah, that is a little dark spot right there. And you're just trying to shade the lips and make them look realistic. Any extra shading. Okay, and then you're going to take your shader thing again and shade. It's a lot of shading. It's not going to be perfect. Every mouth looks different. There you go. And then you're just shading where it's all white and you're just blending. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and erase some spots after this, so. Alright, just darkening the areas that I may have missed to darken. Okay. Yeah, now I'm just erasing the teeth to make them look more white. You don't want that shading in there. Okay, now I just erased it and